full adder using Siemens PLC simulator. On this functional block there is single bit full adder, has 3 inputs and 2 outputs. In functional block 16-bit adders, there are 16 1-bit single bit full adder in serial, connected one by one. Final result I can check on the main organization block. I can use modify input, for example 20,000 plus, for example 700. That's input 1 and input 2 in hex and decimal, and output in hex and decimal. Adder also work correct with the negative value. For example, I can use -1004. The result is here. That is correct. Thank you for watching.